Y'all, I have my villain eyebrows on today. Oh, yes, they look good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so incredibly excited for this video, you guys. I have been looking forward to this collection for a long time. As soon as it was released, I was like, it's mine. It's mine. Not all of it, but most of them are going to be mine. So I went ahead and purchased not one, but two villain palettes. This one is your guys's, and this one is mine. So you guys are going to be getting your own villains palette, and also on top of that, I did get two of the collections, the Maleficent and the Cruella collection, and you will also be getting both lip glosses as well. I am going to be ending this on April 6th, so you guys have about 2 weeks to enter, so that way you guys can get it quick. So to enter in this contest for this palette and these two lip glosses, all you guys have to do is comment down below your favorite Disney villain. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel and have your subscriptions public so I can see that you're actually subscribed, and that's it. You're entered to win. It's so easy, and I wish you guys luck because this is a stunning palette, and these glosses are so fun and versatile over a lot of different colors. So don't forget to enter, you guys. So let's take a look at everything. So this palette, it did not look very appetizing in pictures, and then I saw it in person and I was like, okay, you're mine. Thanks. This packaging is so cute. For the palette, it has like these glossy pictures that go with all the villains. Hydra. I think that's it, right? Is that Hydra? Wait, is that what if that's not it, then I feel stupid. I think that one's Snow White right there. Crow. That one's Maleficent, right? I think it is. Oh, obviously, the seashells, the puppy prints, the roses, and the outside of the palette is gorgeous. Look how bright and beautiful this is. You can see all of the villains within it, and it's so like neon themed. I was so excited for this. Look at these colors. So I will be posting swatches right here. This is actually from my Instagram. If you guys want to check that out, I'll put my handle above and you guys can go check out these swatches. I do like to do really beautiful swatch pictures on my Instagram of any new palettes that I use on my channel. So this palette was $22. And if you have a $3.50 off coupon, then you can save even more money because it's not part of their prestige collection. And if you have any points, you can also put that towards this as well. So I actually had $8 in points and I had a $3.50 off coupon, so I saved a little bit of money on this collection. The Cruella and the Maleficent were both $25 each, so once again, you can also save money if you have those coupons or any points. So let's look at these collections. Maleficent, oh, it's so neon-y and bright. This is such fun packaging. Let's start with this highlighter. This highlighter is beautiful. It does look a little dark in the pan, but when it's swatched, it is such a beautiful glittery, it's my skin tone, so it shows up as a beautiful kind of glittery shade on my cheek. I am wearing it as a base, and then I put Cruella directly on top, which you guys can see later in the video. Alright, you guys will be getting this lip gloss right here. Oh, this would look so pretty. And then the lipstick, you guys, look at this packaging. This lipstick is what I'm wearing right now. It is, I love colors like this, so this is a beauty. And Cruella's, oh my gosh, you guys, this highlighter is so beautiful. It is very white in the pan, but it shifts to this beautiful champagne-y peach color. And this one is very sheer. It's more like a topper. It does have a peach tone to it. So it looks so beautiful when you pack that color on. It has this beautiful peach shift to it with a little bit of like pink and champagne. It's stunning. And you guys will also be getting this lip gloss, which is just a really beautiful nudie color lip gloss. And Cruella's color, oh, you guys, this is such a beautiful orange red. I am in love with colors like this. And that is what I have picked up from this collection. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, then just keep watching. Y'all, this blends beautifully. This blue is just so beautiful when it blends. I am so happy. Alright, so now I'm going to start deepening up this outer corner, and I'm actually going to mix that blue and the gray together. And I'm going to kind of create a V, but I'm going to softly blend that out in a little bit. I'm going to start blending this a little bit into this V shape here and kind of bring it out a little bit here to the edge. Right now I'm going in with Jetsam, which is this beautiful blue with some purple in it, so it's going to go into that purple so beautifully. And I'm just packing it on this outer corner here and pulling it straight back to blend in seamlessly with this blue-gray color we created. And now I'm going into Forest of Thorns. You guys, wait till you see this purple. Holy poop stick. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Y'all, this color, oh my god, I love purples. This color is attacking my soul. And I'm doing the same thing with this. I'm packing it on right in front of that color and slowly dragging it into that blue to create a really beautiful gradient. Now for this beautiful color. Oh my god, you guys. Diablo. Oh my god. Diablo. Y'all. Y'all. This is like such a beautiful poison green. Alright, so now to blend those two together, I'm actually going to go in with Flotsam with my finger and just lightly tap it right along that transition line. Alright, so I am going to add black liner with a really large wing, as you can see, and then I will move on to the bottom lashes. Oh, are you kidding me? I love you, Diablo. And then I'm just gonna sweep a small portion of that over along this inner corner here. And for the waterline, I'm going in with a Colourpop cream gel liner in DTLA, which I don't know what that means because I'm a loser, but it's this really beautiful dark blue. Okay, you guys, I just added a light mauve blush. I didn't want anything too empowering, so let's move into these highlighters. I think I want to use both of them just to see how they work on top of each other by layering colors. So I have Cruella's and I have Maleficent's. Maleficent is a little bit darker and Cruella is lighter. So I'm gonna put on Maleficent's first and then I'm gonna put Cruella's right on top of that. Wow, you're gorgeous! So now I'm going in with Cruella's highlighter right on top. We are extra. Yes. Oh, I am feeling super evil with this eye look. Oh my, that adds like this totally different glow. Alright, we are just gonna be so extra. Yes, more. And more. More. Okay, I can deal with that. That's decent. All right, I think I'm sufficiently glowy, so let's move on to these lips, you guys. All right, I found that I think I want to use the fuchsia color. That is Maleficent's, and this color is Maleficent. Oh, yes. Now, I did not get the darker lip, which I wanted. I think it was Ursula. It's very vampy, and actually, I think that would be way too much for this look, so this one is just bringing in a pop of color, but this formula, you guys, is so buttery soft. This color is so beautiful. It's like a perfect spring pink purple mix. It's gorgeous. It's not quite fuchsia, but it is a more toned down magenta color, so it is very flattering. I love it. It might not be the best with this look, but that's okay, who cares? Alright, you guys, here is the final look using some of the items from the collection. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to leave me a comment so you guys can be entered in to win your own palette and these two lip glosses. And make sure you are subscribed to my channel and your subscriptions are public so I can see. And good luck to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look I created. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And the color, so Cruella has the shifted, no, what? No, that one is Maleficent. Oh god, these are so confusing. Whatever, good thing I only got two. Okay, so these have the names on the back, and this one is Vasilile, like Vaseline. No, that's not how it's pronounced, y'all. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Cause, you know, that's sexy. Okay, so there's skulls. Is that a Hydra? Oh my gosh, do I have to Google this? Hydra. What is a Hydra? Hydraulic fluid? Yes, it is! Oh my god, I feel so smart! And Cruella's is not showing up. Come on. Wait. Stop. Stop.